Here's the other ThyssenKrupp Studio elevator. Here at the Silver Palmstead. Here in Key West, Florida. Let's go up to 3. ThyssenKrupp Studio. Very nice elevator. Love the lights. Nice. Oh yeah. There's the stairs. But I can't use the stairs. But we're promoting healthy exercise by letting people take the stairs instead of taking the elevator. As they're going down, look at that weird door operator now. It's honestly a pretty nice cam. We'll give a huge shout out to Julian for finding this. These are very rare. Let's go down to 1. Capacity 2100. These are your buttons here. So that's me. I'm gonna ring the chime again. Watch this. Just wait for the door to close. Look at that. Watch the fornicator. Oh no, you can see the rear door operator. That's pretty cool. Look at that comp button. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.